Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, welcome to an electrifying event that celebrates confidence, beauty, and the spirit of summer, the Bikini Fashion Show. Today, we gather to embrace the sunshine, the beach, and the joy of embracing our bodies in stylish swimwear. The Bikini Fashion Show is a celebration of body positivity, self-expression, and the freedom to feel comfortable and confident in our own skin. It is a moment where we shatter the societal expectations and limitations that have confined our perception of beauty for far too long. At this show, you will witness a stunning display of diverse swimsuit designs, catering to a wide range of tastes and preferences. From classic cuts to bold and vibrant patterns, the bikinis showcased today are a symbol of embracing individuality and celebrating the unique curves and contours of each body. This event is not just about fashion, it is about embracing ourselves and promoting self-love. It is a powerful statement that beauty is not limited to a specific size, shape, or age. It is about reclaiming our bodies and reminding ourselves that we deserve to feel confident, regardless of societal beauty standards. The Bikini Fashion Show is an opportunity to challenge the notion that swimwear is only meant for a select few. It is about celebrating all body types and showing that every individual has the right to enjoy the sun, the sand, and the sea without judgment or restrictions. Through this event, we hope to inspire individuals to embrace their bodies and enjoy the summer with confidence. Whether you have curves, are petite, or have a body shape that falls outside of conventional norms, this show is a reminder that there is a swimsuit out there for you, a swimsuit that will make you feel incredible. To the models gracing the runway today, you are not just models, you are the embodiment of empowerment and body positivity. By showcasing swimwear with grace and confidence, you are breaking barriers and challenging the status quo. Your presence inspires us all to embrace our bodies and celebrate our unique beauty. And to everyone here, I invite you to revel in this moment. Let this show be a reminder that every body is a bikini body, and that beauty is not confined to any specific standards. Embrace the summer, embrace your body, and let the joy of the beach and the sun be a testament to your self-love and acceptance. In conclusion, the Bikini Fashion Show is a celebration of diversity, confidence, and the freedom to enjoy the sun and the sea without limitations. It is a call to challenge the narrow beauty standards that have plagued our society and to embrace the beauty that lies within each and every one of us. Thank you, and let the show begin.